Welcome. This is Dee with Koch Companies. Today I will be reviewing driver workflow. Workflow is how drivers will be receiving their load information. The easiest way to access workflow from your Qualcomm unit is by selecting the clipboard button that is located on the right-hand side of the Qualcomm unit. This will take you into the workflow application. Drivers will receive a pre-plan that is for their next load. Notice the preliminary information that is available, which shows the stops and the cities that they're going to. The trip number is located here underneath the trip plan. To find more specific information, select the Details button. To find more specific information about each stop, first select the load, then the Detail button. Notice the information that is supplied to you. To find out additional information besides the address and the type of event that will be happening on that load, scroll down to on your right-hand side. Notice the additional information that is available in the comments section. There will be additional information available to drivers located here. To find information specific to the customers, for example, hours of service or directions, please select the Info button. This will give additional information regarding each stop. To go back to the pre-plan, select the Done button. And then also, the lower left-hand corner of your screen is a white arrow. Select that to go back to the original pre-plan page. From here, if you are able to accept this load, you are going to need to select this Accept button. Notice up at the trip plan, the words Accept is there. That indicates that you have selected this pre-plan. If you are not able to accept the pre-plan, you do need to call dispatch so they're able to reroute this plan to another driver. After you have accepted your pre-plan, a trip plan will be sent to you. It will be located under the trip plan folder. Notice how each stop is broken out. If you need to see information regarding your miles, by selecting the Info button, you will see the loaded and empty miles. Select the Done button and you'll return back to the trip plan. Once you are ready to start your trip, you need to select the Start Trip button. You will receive a message that states, "I have read all comments and accept the requirements of this trip. Only accept if you have enough hours available to complete this load legally, safely, and on time." Accept Agree, and the following page will appear. You will need to verify that the trailer information is correct. If it is not, or there is not a trailer listed, you will need to enter trailer information. If you are bobtailing, you will need to enter the word None. The next area is where you will select your current fuel level. By doing this, will generate your fuel solutions. After you have selected it, select Done. If you are not automatically entered into the tasks, you will need to make sure that your stop is highlighted in yellow. Select Done and go to the Tasks folder. Notice how the first task is highlighted in yellow and a green check mark has been entered. That indicates that that task has been completed. If the system did not auto-arrive you, you will need to select Arrived, the Select button, and confirm that you are at your first arrival. Select the loaded shipper. Verify that the trailer ID has been entered. You will need to make sure that you have a bill of lading number, a weight number, and count. Seal number and seal intact are optional. To select, just make sure that the field is marked as yellow and enter in information. When you are ready to depart and leave your stop, select Departed and the Select button. Notice this stop has a check mark. You have now completed your first stop. When you have arrived to your second stop, select and make sure that area is yellow. Select Details, the Task button, and complete the tasks that are associated with this stop. The tasks that are required are in bold. Notice that the OS&D is not. That is an optional task to complete. If you have not auto-arrived and there's not a check mark, you need to make sure it's highlighted, select, and confirm. Again, select the next task for the unload at destination. Go through and fill out the bill, make sure the bill of lading have information, the weight and pieces, and that the trailer is populated and correct. Once done, select the Done button. The most important thing is when you are done with your trip, you need to make sure you select Done from your tasks and select the Select button. Notice there are no stops that do not have a green check mark indicating that you are done with this trip. If you have any additional questions, please contact dispatch. Thank you.